जीएसटी राजस्व के विभिन्न मुद्दों पर चर्चा के लिए जीएसटी परिषद की 42वीं बैठक हुई। वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण ने वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के जरिए बैठक की अध्यक्षता की। राज्यों और केंद्र शासित प्रदेशों के वित्त मंत्रियों के साथ हुई इस बैठक में राज्यों को जीएसटी की क्षतिपूर्ति को लेकर बड़े फैसले किए गए। वहीं कारोबारियों को भी कई मोर्चों पर राहत देने का ऐलान किया गया। वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण ने कहा है कि अगले सप्ताह उन राज्यों को 24,000 करोड़ रुपए जारी किए जाएंगे जिन्हें आईजीएसटी के हिस्से में वास्तविक बकाया के मुकाबले कम प्राप्त हुए हैं। इस साल अब तक एकत्र किए गए क्षतिपूर्ति उपकर 20,000 करोड़ रुपए राज्यों को बांट दिए जाएंगे।
This year till now whatever has been collected under the compensation cess, which totals approximately to about 20,000 crores, will get disbursed tonight to all the states. This year's compensation cess collected amounting to 20,000 crores will be distributed late night today. So there wouldn't be anything kept behind. The entire amount will be disbursed. The second is, you are aware that a long pending issue of IGST has been festering us for a very long time. It's been lingering, waiting to get resolved. It was actually something like 65,000, which, as a quick resolution at that time, was divided into two halves, and about 80,000 was given away to the states because at that time there was no formula based on which the IGST could be divided. Post that, I think a formulation was arrived so that instantly IGST gets devolved and continues to get devolved.
1 जनवरी के बाद से जिन करदाताओं का सालाना टर्नओवर 5 करोड़ रुपए से कम है, उन्हें जनवरी से मासिक रिटर्न भरने की जरूरत नहीं होगी। उन्हें केवल तिमाही रिटर्न फाइल करना होगा। आईजीएसटी के मुद्दे पर वित्त मंत्री ने कहा कि कुछ राज्यों को अधिक आईजीएसटी का वितरण हुआ है, उसे वापस लिया जाएगा। क्षतिपूर्ति पर विचार विमर्श करने के लिए जीएसटी परिषद 12 अक्टूबर को बैठक करेगी।
They will not be required to file monthly returns. Monthly returns, that is the GSTR 3B as well as the GSTR 1, they will not be required to file monthly returns. They will file only the quarterly returns. But because the states also need money, the taxes every month, so what we have come out with a proposal is that even though the returns will be filed quarterly, actually the payment through a challan, and challan will be very, very simple, and that payment can be made through the challan every month. In order that this payment of challan does not require a very, very detailed calculation and examination of books of accounts and taking any professional help, what we have said is that as long as the taxpayer pays 35% of the tax paid in the previous quarter for the 2 months, then that should be fine, and only in the third month he should pay the actual tax which accrues in that quarter. So this is going to give a very, very major relief, particularly to the smaller taxpayers. You know, a taxpayer at the moment is supposed to file 12 monthly returns of the GSTR 3B, 12 monthly returns of GSTR 1, so total 24 returns.